Think about the last time you truly felt close to your partner. When conversations felt effortless. When silence didn't feel awkward, it felt safe. When just sitting together was enough. Now ask yourself honestly, when was the last time you made them feel valued? When was the last time you really listened? When was the last time you looked at them, not your phone? When was the last time you made them feel like they truly matter? Because most relationships don't end in one big moment. They don't break because of one fight or one mistake. They slowly fade because of small things you don't even notice. A message you didn't reply to, a moment you weren't fully there, a conversation you didn't really listen to. No big betrayal, no dramatic ending, just small habits repeated every day. Until one day, you're sitting next to each other, but it feels like you're miles apart. And the scary part? You might be doing this right now, without even realizing it. Relationships don't fall apart overnight. They weaken slowly, in normal days, in quiet moments. You both get busy, work gets stressful, life becomes routine, and somewhere between responsibilities and distractions, you stop choosing each other the same way. Not because you stop loving them, but because you assume they understand. They'll always be there. We'll fix things later. But relationships don't survive on later. They survive on attention. And when attention fades, distance quietly takes its place. They text you. Something simple like, "How was your day?" Or, "I miss you." You see it, but you don't reply. You think, "I'll answer later." But later becomes hours. Then the whole day. And on the other side, they're waiting. Not just for a reply, but for connection. Because it's not just a message. It's them reaching out to you. And when that effort meets silence, it hurts. Even if you didn't mean it that way. What they feel is, "I'm not important right now." And slowly, that feeling creates distance. You're sitting together. Same room, same couch, but different worlds. Scrolling, watching, typing, and without saying anything, you drift apart. Because being physically present is not the same as being emotionally present. You can sit right next to someone you love and still make them feel completely alone. Every time you choose your screen over them, you send a message. This matters more right now. And after a while, they stop trying to compete. They start talking about their day, their stress, something that hurt them, and you respond with, "Okay, yeah, but you're not really there. Maybe you're tired. Maybe you're distracted." But to them, it feels like they don't matter. Because when someone opens up, they're trusting you with their emotions. And when they feel unheard, they slowly stop sharing. And silence grows where connection once lived. In the beginning, you notice everything. Their effort, their kindness, the little things. But over time, you get used to it. You stop saying thank you. You stop noticing. You assume. They know how I feel. They'll always stay. But love doesn't survive on assumptions. Even the strongest person needs to feel appreciated. And when they don't, they begin to feel invisible. Sometimes, the problem isn't your partner. It's your thoughts. They reply late. And your mind says, something's wrong. They sound different. And you think, they're losing interest. You create stories in your head. Stories that feel real, but often aren't. And those thoughts change your behavior. You become distant, defensive, or reactive. And slowly, your fears start damaging something real. A small misunderstanding, a stressful day, and suddenly, you react. You raise your voice. You say something harsh. Maybe you apologize later. But the words stay, because words leave marks. And when your partner feels hurt again and again, they stop feeling safe. And without emotional safety, love struggles to survive. You say you're busy, and maybe you are. But relationships don't grow in leftover time. When was the last time you planned something together? No distractions. No phones. Just time. Because when time stops being intentional, connection starts fading. They do things for you. Small things. Meaningful things. And over time, you stop acknowledging them. No, thank you. No, I appreciate you. And they begin to feel unseen. Like they're giving, but no one is noticing. And eventually, they stop giving the same way. None of these habits are dramatic, but together, they are powerful. Because relationships don't break from one big moment. They break from small moments, repeated again and again. Each time someone feels ignored, unheard, unimportant, a small crack forms. And over time, those cracks become distance. And sometimes, by the time you notice, it's already too late. The good news? You can change this. Not with big gestures, but with small actions. Reply. Listen. Put your phone down. Make time. Say thank you. Be present. Because love doesn't need perfection. It needs attention. So tell me, which habit do you see in your relationship? And which one will you fix today? Write it in the comments below.